Sitsheleni lama criminals uthoba.
Sizokhuluma iqiniso la.
Yaricele sends Vusimatlala an account number, account details. Vusimatlala deposit money into a private account, not Cele's account, someone else's account. He puts money into that account and he sends a proof to Cele.
Cele calls me, he's a former minister. He calls me and he says, the Premier of Gauteng have approached him to go and work in Gauteng to help him fight crime in Gauteng. Therefore, he needs General Khumalo, who's a district commissioner and ex-task force commander in KZN, to come and work with him in Gauteng. And I find it strange because I think he called 2 or 3 times. While I was in a meeting, I kept giving the phone to one Brigadier Abteles who was with me in the meeting. And after that, I had a conversation with General Cele, and then he pleaded with me to release this general to come to Gauteng. And my surprise was, but when General Cele was in the police, he did not like the general, Khumalo. He didn't like him at all. So why now that he's out of the police, he trusts Khumalo to come and work with him in Gauteng?
South Africans, ni Sodoma, ne Gomorrah. Anina inhliziyo anambeza ni nunu.
Mkhwanazi is a hero.
Nawe Mkhwanazi, mina khona la kusola khona. General Mkhwanazi.
Wena yino yaziyo wena.
So Cele is pursuing Khumalo to resign from the police so that he can stay away from the Dismar case because he was appointed to deal with that case departmentally against Gerald Khan. So Khumalo says, no, this is the approach of Cele to want me to back off. And that got me so upset, commissioners, that can really Gerald Cele go to the extent of wanting a person to resign from the service because he wants to protect someone? It was very strange. I did not talk to Gerald Cele from the day.
I got the OPI channel about Pata and King of Business.
Yabona into ezofanele iyekwe. Ukuloku sikhalela abantu abamosho African National Congress.
Ah la la.
Ivale mfana.